What's the pros of the installed BONOSS wheel spacers?
These BMW wheel spacers will improve performance and appearance. By increasing the track width, BMW M4 wheel spacers help reduce body roll, which in turn leads to better handling. Upgrading performance with BMW M4 wheel spacers is safe for daily driving. If you install them correctly, quality spacer won't cause any problems. In reality, properly installed car wheels with wheel spacers are as safe as wheels without spacers. As a reliable, precise half-century wheel spacers manufacturer, BONOSS is always maintaining the highest quality and best fitment. BONOSS half-century wheel spacers are CNC machined, precision at 0.02 mm tolerance. This eliminates any potential gap, ensuring a perfect installation.
That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye!